Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And like last time, I said I was going to be talking about the launch pad in this video. So here's a launch pad. It is fully assembled and ready to go. Now, the main job of this launch pad is to obviously launch the rocket. But there's some other jobs that may not be so obvious, like when the rocket is on the pad and in its pad idle mode, it has to be locked in place. It can't rock back and forth. And also the launch pad has to ignite the rocket motor. You know, that's the whole point of a launch pad. So, before we get into the launch pad, I want to show y'all the fully assembled flight vehicle. This is Velocity 1. Velocity 1 has a flight computer and it runs off the Arduino Nano with an MPU 6050 as its IMU. It has thrust vectoring on the bottom and it runs off of a PID algorithm, which stands for Proportional Integral and Derivative. Okay, so right now, it is going through all of its checks. So it's like the pre-flight checklist. Now, after it's gone through all the checks, it goes into what's called pad idle mode. So when it's in pad idle mode, it knows that it is level on the pad. So we must keep the rocket level. That's why I have these clamp arms. These clamp arms help keep the rocket locked in place so wind or anything else doesn't move it. Now, once it detects launch, like this, it starts gimbaling the motor at the bottom, right? And then after motor burnout and it starts falling, it will push 9 volts through a MOSFET and into the connectors to shoot out the parachute into the pyrotechnic charge that is inside the parachutes, or the parachute bay. Okay, so now onto the launch pad. Like I said, the launch pad, it has clamps to hold down the rocket so it doesn't rock back and forth, right? And it also ignites the rocket motor, which I'll show y'all in just a sec. But in the meantime, this whole mechanism thing was inspired by Joe Barnard over at bps.space. He's really cool, he's really smart, and his videos are awesome. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. But yeah, so the servos, when they actuate, I have servos, 4 servos, and it actuates 4 clamps, because there's 4 clamp surfaces on the rocket. And when they release, it knocks a pin out of the way so that the springs will automatically pull down the clamp. So the clamps actually want to be open, you know? So as soon as the arm gets knocked out of the way, the clamp will open automatically. And also, the Launchpad computer runs off of an ESP32, which is a little bit more high-tech than the Arduino. It has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and it's a lot faster. The Arduino Nano runs at 16 megahertz, which means it can execute 16 million operations per second. The ESP32 runs at 240 megahertz, so that's a massive jump. Alright, and another reason I went with the ESP32 is it's Bluetooth, so I can connect via my computer and it can be wireless, so it can be further away. You know, I don't have to be standing there in case, you know, the rocket blows up in my face or something. Alright, so let me show you how it works. As soon as I send the command, it will ignite the rocket motor and it will wait 100 milliseconds. Now you can't see it, but it definitely waits. Going in 3, 2, 1. Like that. So, but the code, I mean, I'll probably do it like this, but it's definitely not the best. Like, actuating it, so when it ignites, I should probably have it only go for like a few seconds and not constantly keep it on, because I have to turn it off manually. Like, I don't know, so you saw when it first opened it, I had it open all the clamps, and then it actuated the servos back to where they were. That was my doing. Like, I had to do the command, but yeah. Okay, and also, the rocket has the launch pad, it has a flame trench, so it diverts the hot exhaust gases from the rocket motor down and it shoots it to the side instead of shooting it to the ground, which could possibly damage your grass. I mean, it's an E12, it's probably not going to be that bad, but I mean, it looks cool, so it's fine. Thank you for watching, and after this video, I'm going to be doing some PID testing, so I'm testing the control algorithm, and in the next video, we will see it fly. Hopefully fly. But it will definitely be in a field, launching up in the air, or maybe sideways. Probably sideways, but it's fine. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment, and please subscribe to my channel.